So if you are a coach who is struggling to generate enough profits in your coaching business, or maybe you're stuck at low ticket products, or maybe you don't have scalable systems, or anywhere, even if you're starting new, you need to have three core pillars that will help you to generate six-figure income, no matter whether you're starting new or whether you're experienced coach, right? So this video is about how can you scale your business from zero to nothing to like six-figure revenue, which means anywhere from 1 lakh to 9,99,000. So whatever your desire, what are the goals that you have. So this model that I'm going to share with you, the framework, which has got three core pillars, will help you to, if you have the systems, it will help you to generate six-figure income, because this is helping me in my agency, and this is also helping for our clients, because these are three important things that we actually implement. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Umesh, and I'm the founder of Coach Funnels, which is India's first sales funnels agency for coaches. So without wasting your time, let's jump into the content. So here are those three core elements of your business on the framework, which is number one is having a scalable systems. Number two is high quality leads that you need to have. Number three is having a high ticket offer. If any one of this is actually missing in your business, you're going to struggle a lot, because these are mandatory in your business if you want to generate six-figure income in your coaching or consulting business. Let's say, for example, you have a scalable system and you have high ticket offer, but you are struggling with high quality leads. That means you basically have no business. You are just running your business based on hope and praying. Like you don't have a process nurturing at lead magnets or anything. If you have scalable systems and just high ticket offer, but you don't have high quality leads, which is here you're missing, basically you don't have a business. So that is where most people struggle. Let's say, for example, if you have, systems, which is sales funnels and everything, and you're consistently generating high quality leads, but you don't have high ticket offer, which is actually your no profits, because high ticket products will help you to generate more profits, but since you're selling maybe low ticket offers or anything, you're struggling with everything because of the revenue and everything. So basically you don't have any profits in your business. Let's say, for example, you have high quality leads and high ticket offer, but you don't have scalable system, which means like maybe you are doing copy pasting the things, or maybe go maintaining Google Sheets or Excel sheets, whatever it may be, to like basically you don't have system, or you're alone solopreneur and you're working, and you become the roadblock for your business because you don't know whom to hire, what to hire. Basically a system includes talented people, system includes automation, system includes systems, right? A process. So if you don't have that, you will not be able to see any growth, because you don't have a system. You can't automate, you can't actually replace yourself, or you can't duplicate yourself. So that is where most of the coaches actually struggle, and they struggle for very long and in understanding this entire process. And if you focus on this, then you can easily actually make six-figure income every month consistently, because if you have this this is where the six-figure revenue, if all these three components work together, meet at one junction, that is where you will have six-figure business in your coaching. Okay, so so what is that? How can you build that? I have a masterclass for you. I put in the description below in the link in this YouTube video. Go and check this masterclass, and it will help you this understanding the strategies on how can you build a scalable system or high quality leads, and how can you create high ticket offer in your coaching business. So these are the three things. If one of the component is missing, you need to work upon that, no matter with what situation you are in, whether you're starting new, whether you're already experienced coach. These are the very important things. All right. So I hope this video has helped you, and make sure you watch the masterclass. And also please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I have a lot of things to share with you on how can you scale your business from zero to six-figure, making lakhs per month, whether you're a consultant, author, coach, trainer, anything that you're doing selling digital information. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining in.